How to change the spending limit for Instagram ads. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can change your spending limit for your Instagram ads. But before getting started, be sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram, and from here, you just want to head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile, all you need to do is tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner, and you just have to make sure that you have a business account. So for that, you just have to switch your account. So scroll down and tap on switch account types and tools. Tap on switch to professional account and keep tapping next. And once you do that, you should be able to switch your account to a professional account. After switching your account to your professional account, tap on the menu icon again, and you are going to tap on Business Tools and Controls. And from here, you will see this option. So just tap on the first option, Add Payments, and then head over to the payment method. Once you do that, you will find your billing and payment account here. So if you scroll down, you will see this account spending limit right here. You can just tap on it to set it to your desired limit, and then just tap on save, and then you're good to go. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.